Hi, I'm Effie, and welcome to Lifestyle Tips for Me. If you're tired of yo-yo dieting and want to make clean eating a lifestyle instead of a short-term fix, you're in the right place. Step 1. How to stay consistent without feeling deprived. One of the biggest challenges with clean eating is consistency. But here's the thing, clean eating is not about restriction. It's about nourishing your body with whole, nutrient-dense foods. To stay consistent, focus on these. Healthy swaps. You don't have to give up your favorite foods, just find healthier versions. Flexibility. Allow yourself to enjoy occasional treats without feeling guilty. Balance. Find a balance between your healthy habits and indulging every now and then. When you stop thinking of it as a diet and start thinking of it as a lifestyle, it becomes much easier to maintain. Step 2. Plan ahead to avoid temptations. One of the biggest reasons people struggle with clean eating is lack of preparation. Meal prep ahead of time so you always have healthy options ready. Keep clean snacks on hand so you're never caught off guard. Plan your grocery list and stick to it so you're not tempted to buy junk. When you set yourself up for success, staying on track becomes effortless. Step 3. Build a support system. Making lifestyle changes is easier when you're surrounded by supportive people. Find a community, whether it's friends, family, or an online group, who encourage your clean eating journey. If you don't have that support, don't worry, I've got you covered. Step 4. Simple daily habits for a long-term healthy life. To make clean eating a lifelong habit, focus on building simple daily habits like drinking water first thing in the morning, packing a healthy lunch, eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, getting regular physical activity. By building these habits into your daily life, clean eating will become second nature. If you want to make clean eating a lifelong habit, start today by creating a mindset of balance and sustainability. If you're looking for ongoing support, make sure to join my Facebook group or sign up for my email list to get access to exclusive content and tips. I can't wait to see you continue on your clean eating journey. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Check the description below for links to subscribe for more clean eating tips. Download your free clean eating shopping list and grab your free clean eating pantry staples list to help you get started. See you in the next video.